Protest against SIR, that is Special Intensive Revision, is just a stage drama. Youth is India's future, and SIR, that is Special Intensive Revision Drive, has been introduced to save their future only. This is one of the formidable tasks which Election Commission of India is undertaking. As far as protest against SIR is concerned, no one really bothers if India Alliance leaders like Raga and Akhilesh are detained. Their arrest makes no difference in the amount of protest government of India would face when it comes to reforming India's age-old electoral system. Everyone everywhere knows that that opposition is protesting against SIR just to save its vote bank. As it is, Raga is facing immense showdown over his vote chori remark. SIR drive was unavoidable in Bihar and should also be conducted across West Bengal. This is because many ineligible candidates have been registered earlier in the voter list. These ineligible voters primarily include Bangladeshis, Rohingyas, and even those who are even dead. Hence, a major revision of electoral list is required in these states. As it is understood, both Bihar and West Bengal are porous border states. Many illegal Bangladeshis have entered India through these states. In fact, many people from Bihar itself have entered West Bengal illegally, making it difficult for the local Bengalis to survive and thrive. West Bengal, which was land of Tagore, has now become the land of Sheikh Shah Jahan, responsible for Sandesh Khali incident, and Farhad Hakim, responsible for inciting riots. This has only been possible because WBCM Mamata Banerjee's patronization. She has provided safe havens to many such rioters by sponsoring and registering them as voters. It has become a vicious cycle. Mamata and NT leaders openly endorse and support illegal immigrants who should not even be entertained in the first place. However, these immigrants slowly get into these states, try to change the demographic pattern of these states, threaten natives and locals, become local goons and mafia, and ultimately become strong vote bank of these pseudo secular leaders. Youth of these states later become disenchanted and disappointed. Those who could be the torch bearers of democracy are not even given a chance to vote. Fake voter list, booth capturing, violence during polls, riots soon after the results, attack on election commission's team has become a common scenario in these states. This is where the SIR comes in to protect India's integrity and democracy, and because of the fear of the losing out on their vote bank, Indie leaders are protesting against SIR. It is high time that everyone understands their strategy and thwart it.